What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another vlog slash reaction and video on my channel, Life with Brandon. I am your boy Brandon, and by that title and by that thumbnail, that lit thumbnail, y'all know what this is about. So I will be doing my little reaction about last night's 2018 Soul Train Awards. Now, if you didn't watch it, because it came on twice last night, if you missed both times and you didn't know, well, Tisha Campbell and Tichina Arnold, they were co-hosts for this year's Soul Train Awards. Now, I am trying to find a clip where they had did their intro. Y'all, when I tell y'all they killed it, I mean they went back to the 90s with TLC, with Brandy, who was that? That was either Foxy Brown or either Lil Kim. I mean, like, they killed it. They did they thing, y'all. They really did. Now, as far as let's see if I can find the intro. Now, hold on, y'all. As y'all can see, a lot of people was there. There's BBD. Oh, Method Man that showed up. Kehlani, MC Lyte, Faith Evans was there. Of course, Erykah Badu. Let's see. My boy Jon B showed up and he performed. This him right here. Hold up. Look, y'all see Faith Evans right there and Erykah Badu. But I'm gonna show y'all Jon B performance. Kid and Play even showed up. Kid and Play, they was there. Alright, y'all, I'm about to show y'all Jon B performance real quick. This song right here is called Someone to Love. It's an old classic. I love this song by John B. Oh, child. So that's that. And he also performed. He also performed his other hit song, They Don't Know. Now, y'all want to know who else performed? Your girl Queen Naija. She did the Soul Cypher along with Luke James. Okay, y'all, so Queen Naija, who you all are about to see, she had did the Soul Cypher along with Luke James, Kelly Price, this guy right here, his name is Robert Glasper. And well, y'all about to see. All right. This is Queen's first Soul Train Awards. As y'all know, about a month or two ago, her and Clarence, they had went to the BET Award. So here is, but at the BET Awards she didn't perform. But as y'all see right here, she did the Soul Train Award Cypher. I held you down for the longest. I was there through all of your darkest moments. Feels just like yesterday when we were homeless. Got you some bread and start treating me pumpkins. Talking about you wanted something new. Like I wasn't good enough for you. Guess you didn't caught you a case of amnesia. Maybe you should take a look in your review. Oh yeah, you don't got to worry. There's Kelly Price right there in the black. That is Luke James right there on her left. Just remember what was around. On her left with the hoodie. That's Luke James. Now, if y'all don't know who Luke James is, Luke James, he played Johnny Gill on the New Edition movie, and he also plays on Stars. There you go. If you didn't know who he is, he has a music channel. So hey, go look him up. Listen to his music.
Singing from my soul, let this feeling flow. I can't help but to feel like gold. Black people, you know, hard times are ahead of us. I better get out. I ain't stressing none. It's time that we love. All we need is love and understanding, justice, and all that kind of stuff. Power to the people, y'all. I ain't trying to preach to nobody, but if you're tired, then be tired. Get out there and do somebody, man. This is the time where I introduce a queen, and you know who I mean. By the time y'all pay the price, Miss Kelly Price,
Miss Kelly Price. She's ending the cipher. Then that ish was ready for. You heard her.
she messed with my man. Said she lied, said she cheated, and took all I had.
Yes. That's that soul. She putting a soul in it. Alright, y'all, so that was the cipher. I'm gonna try to find a clip of Faith Evans performing. Faith Evans. She was she was the highlight. Faith Evans, she gets the Lady of Soul Award. This isn't a really good clip. I don't know who had made this one, who made that, but that wasn't a good video. But as y'all heard, she sung "Soon As I Get Home," one of her old time classics. Favorite soul, R&B and soul. All right, y'all. So now I'm mad. I'm mad because they haven't put I haven't seen a clip of I haven't seen a clip of Tichina Arnold and Tisha Campbell when they came out. That ain't it. Like some of these clips, y'all, are like some of these clips that are on here, people took with their phones, and they didn't come out clear. Sorry, they did not come out clear.
You know what? You just have to balance both.
Oh. Hey. The first performer, your boy Jacquees, hold up. Because he is in my thumbnail. Now, I love Jacquees' voice. Like he can really sing. Here we go. ATL Kaler. Alright. He is so short, but cute, and he's only 24. He is performing BED, and then he performs You. I'm just gonna get a little bit of it, cause if y'all know the song, you know the lyrics in there, so I'm just gonna get a little bit of it.
But you get crazy when you're horny. I feel like I should be your lover. I should be your friend. All those silly issues end up in your head. Money for pay for your time, but it's not love. And love cannot pay for that shit that I bought you.
He did good though. Alright, so like I said, I was gonna only get a little bit of that. Now, I want to show y'all the introduction performance by Tisha Campbell and Tichina Arnold, but I cannot find a clip of it. Like, when I tell you, wait, let me try something real quick. Cause when I tell y'all, this year and last year, now last year one of the highlights was SWV when they got back together. Yes, last year and this year's Soul Train Awards were off the chain, y'all. They both was off the chain. Y'all want to see a little bit of DDG? Wait. I was about to say DDG. So I was about to say DDG. Oops, my bad. I meant a little bit of BBD. Here we go. Cause I also got them on my thumbnail, so I gotta show y'all. I gotta show y'all they performance too. Oh, there we go. Got it full screen, y'all. Do me, baby. Do me, baby. Yes, the audience, they hype y'all. And of course, Poison. Out of my mind. That's why it's hard for me to find. Can't get it out of my head. Miss her, kiss her, love her. Alright, so that's that. Now, finally, let this be it. This is the introduction. Come on.
This holiday, bring us the guy you just started dating. You need a gift that says I care,
What?
but not too much. Does a designer watch say relationship? I mean, it's not one, but it could be. You've got people to shop for. We've got ideas and great prices.
Alright, y'all, this is the introduction. When I tell y'all they about to kill it.
All that I need, I'll be there for you. If you keep it real with me, I'll keep it real with you. On the Soul Train Awards, yeah, we think we're a group. Get them on board, we the folks in you. Living hard, living like a luxury. You have my back, even when you didn't have to me. Glad you did, now I'm going all out, kid. And I got mad soul to give. Girl, I need to get by. You're doing too much. Look, we got a quick change. Yeah, he's young. I don't know about this quick change. What are we supposed to do? So I think they can see us. They can see us. Look. They can see us. You team. Hey, he's looking at my butt. Stop looking at my butt. You want to stop. Damn it.
Yes, what about your friends TLC? Tisha sounded like Chili right there. a little bit.
I'm not watching no more. No, listen, I'm telling y'all. You from the beginning to the end, you'll always be here beside me. So I call you my best friend. You got the time and the bad ones, but if I lose all you found me, I know my thing that never changes. That's you. You're my friend,
Yes. Where my girls at? Is you feeling that?
Yo, this not the song. Wanna bubble with the tea, huh? Throw hats on the whole family. Dressed in all black like a oak. Have the friends singing, this is for my homie. Do you know me? Make it so sick. Yes, on my six with the legs on my wrist. You know she wrote it. Journalism for your ass, bitch. You wrote it.
Teacher mad. She like, stop the music. Stop humping.
Now 10. Now 10. Now 10.
Yes. Yes. So as y'all just saw, y'all, like, it was hype. It was hype. It was dope. Yes. So y'all, those were little highlights. Those were little highlights, y'all. Now I wonder. Now, okay, this video, it is already almost 30 minutes. So I want to see if I can try to find Faith Evans. Show y'all a little clip, because that other clip, like I said, honey, that was bougie. So we gotta get the Lady of Soul, Faith Evans, performance. I'm just gonna give y'all a little snippet of it because, like I said, this video is this reaction video is already long enough. So it's at 28 minutes. Alright, I'm gonna fast forward it. Alright, that's the there's Erykah Badu, y'all, and her mom. I'm just skipping through it, y'all. But like I said, there's Carl Thomas. Alright, let's fast forward a little bit more. Like I said, I'm just putting the little clips. There's her husband, Stevie J. Alright. Don't. Yes. Bass drop. Oh. Be quiet, all your chicken heads. Be quiet, all your chicken heads. Be quiet. Oh, Highness. Oh, like this before. We have to be a brand new life like it be. Yes! Pardon me. No, baby. Yes! Alright, y'all. So, y'all, when I say the Soul Train Awards 2018 was lit. It was lit, y'all. It was lit. Like I said. So, anyway, I need for everyone to subscribe to my channel, Life with Brandon. The link will be down in the description below. So be sure to press that subscribe button, like this video, comment down below. Let me know what you thought about the Soul Train Awards 2018. If you had watched it last night, if y'all did, comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. Alright. Share this video. Now, let me tell you all about my channel. Alright. My channel is basically about vlogs. I will be doing vlogs and as well as reaction videos, and probably in the future I will be doing some mukbang. Well, actually, I've already done like a couple of mukbangs. So it's basically vlogs, reaction videos, and mukbangs. Alright, so for some reason when I type in my name, type in my channel name, my channel doesn't come up unless you type in a title of one of my videos. Now, if you want to see a reaction, one of my reactions that I've done, click type in Life with Brandon, Queen Naja medicine. Wait, no, not medicine. Karma reaction, and scroll down and you will find my video. The other day, I think it was Saturday, I was trying to find out how to make my channel discoverable, and I came across some videos of how to, and then therefore I had did the steps for it. So they say that it takes up to a week for your channel to show in the search. So I have to, because I didn't know this before, I have to tag my own channel name within 3 of my videos. So a couple of my videos I had went back and edited, and I tagged my channel in it. So hopefully by this weekend, my channel will be discoverable, and when you type it in, when you type it in, it will show, my profile picture will show. So I'm praying, keeping my fingers crossed. I'm hoping that this will work, but like I said, I gotta wait a whole week. So, but other than that, I gotta do what I can until I can find someone who can really help me to make sure that my channel is discoverable, so that when you type in my name, Life with Brandon, you will see my channel. Therefore, you can subscribe to me. Alright? So, that's it for this video. I'm sorry that it's long, but I had to get the highlights of the Soul Train Awards. Alright? So, y'all see. Alright? So, I'm about to end this and edit so I can put up for y'all. Alright? I'll see y'all in the next vlog.